Suaina Jow Tada Young Shot Matamane.
Enmity between dog and deer.
Sukanari Pai Gagatada.
Like feces stuck on dog's ear.
Fukarangli Makre Hong Sang Tauruko.
It would be like planting sticky rice on dog's buttock.
Fu Rahui Tada Rahui Lanekna Haida.
Running after woman like a dog's woo, such dog courting for a female companion.
Furi Masa Shimli Raka Aka Sarukui Hormi Kajangraga Minauri Katada Kamasai and the Johogajang Rukare Gajikada.
Even dogs are fat with bones. How then shall we send someone away empty-handed?
Fu Miktek Tada.
Just like gazing off a dog.
Funa Moroshokaidaka Zarui Gaji Tada.
Like a dog returns to its own vomit.
Funa Baira Harna Kangya Taire.
It's like chicken scratching the dog's boob.
Funa Sajao Shiri Gishong Rika Mashai Parunga Gaji.
Like a dog craving for sajao as big as Shiri Kashong. Like a dog fantasizing about getting sajao as big as Shiri Kashong.
Funao Tada Tutu Ratlaina Ngrutuiga Matemane.
As nimble as a puppy, quick on one's feet as nimbling of a puppy.
Fubom Kabom Tada.
Sitting like a dog.
Fubai Sami Haidega Tuiga Aikata.
Left after farting, farts and lived in disgrace.
Fubai Makajui Tada.
Like the burning feet of a dog.
Fushim Kari Tada.
Like a robbing canal.
Fu Tada Ashi Azad Mong Mada Mahakajang Haurama.
Like a dog getting chalk due to gluttonous eating habit.
Futui Hertui Momaturo.
Speak not the language of dogs and chickens.
Fuwang Sahai Baishina.
Lest it turns into a male dog.
Karana Jinrangrang Hauda Lapitungni Manuhoji Mihaudra.
A jaded husband pays off alimony in addition to dowry.
Kahara Quireng Naka Hankana Putek.
Even bamboo stalk that is too flimsy gets shattered under the weight of a grow.
Katuichi Nori Mahang Machinteraga Hina Katra.
He who cannot guide his own brothers and sisters, what can he do?
Ham Kakreta Angja Angra Ungra Kainasano.
Do it gently just as you turn the cooking pot around the hearth.
Ham Bairot Sam Nap Nap Gajikata.
It is easier for average-looking persons to get settled.
Hamseire Mangpat Mata.
Hamseire has a better taste.
Hangu Ungnao Kapik Purunge.
Royals and ministers usually lie.
Hanka Jar.
Crow might become white.
Hanka Mareo Kashi Mareo.
The unbalanced ecstasy and misery of a crow.
Hankor Nguibumri Ngara Kahang Mangachamane.
It is unusual to propose a girl when the yam leaf are fully green.
Hankor Nari Tere Haikor Katane.
Like pouring water over yam leaf.
Hankor Yotada Ayo Arekvne.
As tender as an inner yam stalk.
Hangu Shimri Matu Papa Aka Hangu Kuyor Tako.
Speaking disrespectfully in the village court attracts penalty.
Hanna Anui Shapame, Tuya Arar Pamaya.
A tastier curry with the young ones, but with the word the old is better. A tasty freshy curry, a better word of old.
Han Ron Sarom Makapungana Bangbar Shimaye.
One without packet lunch devours more.
Han Singra Makairi Makai Shaida, Shankuna Sashi Kazim Tada.
Setting curry aside in secret, like tiger drinks the blood of its prey.
Haruaina Ruhaira Kangatakata.
An egg against a pebble.
Harpagaza Tarakri.
As the way chicken eats.
Hareman Lunkoli Tanka Rakatao Kata.
Like buckwheat plants that springs up on retaining wall for a day.
Haru Mashi Shokunaka Harnao Kashan.
Counting the chickens before they are hatched.
Harshota Mushongrongro Kayang Kredi Apruta Haye.
Don't be capricious like the bullet that lays egg at open courtyard.
Harva Aina Rura Kangyutada.
Like cock and wildcat going along.
Harva Aina Rura La Kangane Taruko.
just as cock and wildcat dance together,
Harakon Kabaya Tada,
as rooster growing harmoniously incoherent.
Harvana Jangta Ijira,
Does a rooster cultivate field?
Harvana Kazingatang Kangaya Katada Tankamana Kunukshin Ate.
A prudent person knows hereafter as the rooster knows dawn and night,
Harvu Kamarakwa Tata Sara Mukwimene.
as contentious as a brawling hen,
Hachang Zaling Paichon Makate Tada.
like the invisible footprints of flies and ants.
Haisina Ka Haisine.
Being too close, get hold of vulva.
Hami Harara Mituishako.
Even tiny midges can also hear human language.
Hangaka Hangraji. Mahangaka Mahangraji.
If informed, say verbose. If uninformed, why inform not?
Hangazi Okra Sangazi.
The more instill, the more wilder and stubborn.
Hangamajinari Kajin, Sotkamasawari Kaso.
Despise the admonisher, bless or commend the flatterer.
Hangshok Hangzan Magasa Miri Marung Hukji.
Swallow hard on those who respond not.
Hangshok Hangzan Makasami Lungkui Tada.
Unreasonable silence is like a stone.
Hankapa Hankaya Vuna Lepa Katane.
Benevolent is like clay.
Haujakwan and Ipai Ka Reubai Morano Mungade.
Bohenia flower appears too, yet it is not that easy to pick it from its tree, so it is to woo a woman also.
Havakon Tari.
Like the pleasing coo of green pigeon.
Hashim Harimda Osagjan. Hashim Harimda Kasawi Sharanate Shimishai.
The harder you work, the sweeter the fruit of persistence.
Hey, Tarmaga Rege, turning Paisaye.
Hey, don't be picky or end up eating the crumbs of yam.
Hey Rungaka Nurunga.
As stand firm holds water.
Himpit Kahai Sakoras in Amanimane.
All that glitters are not gold.
Hipashi Yashikari Kangatanane.
This family lineage possesses crime.
Hita Tada Akur Wasak Muruma.
Complacent with oneself till the grave.
Hokaidin Shunmit Tayaga Fuhok Murazamane.
Dog and swine don't enter a well-fenced line.
Hokdi Rohami Haireka Korchobri Mukolrikaji Tada.
A swine that has been washed goes back to roll in the mud.
Hokdi Sina Kami Gata.
Like giving gold to pig.
Hokna Lui Ot Murmur Asara Funa in a Sayagaji.
Though pig labored the field, dog claims the workmanship. Only pig works hard in the field, but dog says, I did.
Hokpai Makan Kari.
The first to have treaded over swine droppings, tread on first over pig's odor.
Honaka Honna Magakui Tada.
To wait for what feels like forever.
Hongna Hongtunga, Puna Putunga.
Cord begets cord, bottle cord begets bottle cord.
Hongre Ngata Barunga, Hongre Mangataka Magasa Chatauko.
Exchange of good wine is a must. If not, family relation comes to end.
Huirajitang Tak, Takrajitang Hui Gaji.
Late to come early, early to come late.
Hukabaina Tandung Kahaura, Azingni Kabama Bingna Kamana Tada.
Like the one farts climb up the tree, while those beneath inquire amongst them.
Hulna Makwimere.
Impossible to convince.
Hulshung Pakok Satui Kai.
Becoming a sudden loss of Hushung bird.